Good morning. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, this time we're going to have a review of its specifications. Okay, last time we checked on the design and a short review or preview of its specs and features as well as its menus, and this time we're going to dive in more into its specifications. Okay, so let's check. So checking in on its specs for the number 1 DT79. If you want to check for the full specs, just go to our website smartwatchspecifications.com, the leading website for smartwatch specs. Okay, so we have here a preview. We have a processor MTK2502 plus BMA425 processor. So we have proprietary OS. The display is around 1.3-inch TFT LCD and the battery 560 mAh with sensors, heart rate sensors. So let's check more on its specs. So we have 360 by 360 pixel resolution. Okay, it is a full display screen, full circular display screen, TFT LCD. Okay, with touchscreen support. We also have here, okay, the processor here. It's a dual chip. Okay, we have no SIM slot, Wi-Fi, or NFC. All we have here for connectivity is a Bluetooth 4.0. And the battery capacity here, we have 560 mAh battery with standby time of about 20 days and normal usage of about 4 days. So it is using a magnetic charging cable here, pogo pin. Let me show it to you. Okay, so we have here the pogo pin. It's magnetic. Let's check. Very strong magnet. Okay. For the sensors, we have G sensor, heart monitor, blood pressure monitor. I think we also have e ECG monitor here. Okay, so we'll update this page. So it has a microphone. Okay, we finally have the full specification of this one. So we also have a speaker, as you can see, we heard it before. Okay, we have no camera here. So the features include find device, remote camera, we have Bluetooth music, alarm, stopwatch, we have calendar, call and message. And as we check on its features, we also have a Bluetooth call. Okay, so you can call your friends directly on the smartwatch. We have here a dialer. Okay, here Bluetooth call. See it? Okay, we also have sleep monitoring, calorie and distance counter with its automatic step counter or automatic step tracking. Okay, we also have multiple sports mode. Let me check again. So we have multiple sports mode. You see it here. Let's check. Again, blood oxygen here, blood pressure, heart rate. Where let's check for the sports. We have here the ECG, the one we are talking about, with the sensors to the back. Here we have here the sports. Okay, so we have walking, running, hiking, basketball, badminton, ping pong, football. We also have football, and we have a love making function here. Okay, so it is using a Fandu support app, Fandu Pro, and it is compatible with Android and iOS. Okay, so those are the specs here. So sorry, we have a mistake here on the media. Again, it has a speaker and a microphone because of its Bluetooth call function. Battery resistance, it is IP67 waterproof rated. Okay, we don't have the details on the memory here. We're going to check. We'll, we are going to check it later for the updates on its specifications. And the body here is zinc alloy with a combination of PC material. For the strap, we have a leather strap here in combination of a TPU strap on the bottom, silicone strap. Okay, so making it is now sweat proof. Okay, but looking uh, professional or premium on the outside appearance here. Okay, if you're not a fan of the leather strap, it also has a, I think, an extra silicone strap that comes with a smartwatch. Okay, so we have here, so it is easy to change with its quick release spin here. See it? Do you see the quick release spin here? So it is now much easier to change. Okay, stainless steel buckle here, the same way this one. Okay, so that is the features and specifications of your number 1 DT79 smartwatch. Okay, so far so good based on our review here. Okay, we test the smartwatch. So far it's okay. It is compatible with Android 5.1 and above and iOS 10.0 and above. We don't have any issues regarding with the connectivity. When we add it to the support app, the Fandu Pro support app, so far flawless connection or flawless synchronization, and we're going to show it later, okay, on our next video on how to connect your number 1 DT79 smartwatch or any other wearable to the Fandu Pro app of support app. Okay, it is available in iOS and Android, but we're going to show you is a connectivity or connecting it to the Android version of the Fandu Pro app. Okay, another feature before I forget that I love or I like about the smartwatch is the, where's that is the theme. Okay, so with the theme you can change the background here. So we have at least 3. Okay, the plain one, what's this, somewhat like a bubble here, and other one a background color here. Okay, so far so good. Okay, for the notifications here, you can read it directly on your support app. Okay, let me show you another one. We have here the blood pressure here and the ECG. Let me check. Let's demonstrate the ECG. So seems like the ECG is working okay. Again, for the ECG, blood pressure and heart rate monitor, it is not a basis of the medical diagnosis, but instead it is just a reference for you to check whether you're okay or not. So if you feel something wrong with your heart of your or your body, try to check on the check the advice or seek the advice of a medical professional. Don't just rely on your smartwatch. Okay, it is so far right now. It's not that really accurate. That's why you just have to use it as a reference, not a tool for diagnosing your medical condition. Okay, so let's check the other options here. So, so we have also here the blood oxygen monitor, so measuring. So it may take time. Let's check. Let's end it. We really aren't sure if this is really, accurate. Of how long should I run it to get a substantial result for the blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so it is recording zero. I don't know why. So I'm not a doctor to check whether it's really accurate or not. Okay. Anyway, so far with the design, it looks good, looks nice, but I think the a different color is much better here. I've seen some like a silver version of the color here. Let me show you. So here, I think I would love to have this color compared to this one, this design. I think this is much better compared to this one. Anyway, if you love black, I guess this design and this colors for you. But I would like to have this one. This one looks much better, I think. Much sportier. Here we have only two colors here. Okay, so far, that's our review on its specifications. If you want to know more about its specs and features, just go to our website, smartwatchspecifications.com. Okay, we have the latest news on different specifications of smartwatches as well as news here. Okay, so we have a very intuitive UI of the website. Okay, okay, so that's it. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.